Okay. Um, okay, boys. So this is the what we tried to do yesterday. Okay. This is making a calculator with simple operations. Okay. We have the we have declared all the functions that we need the prototypes above. Then some couple of variables. We made them at global so that it can be accessible in all the functions and even in the main also. So so we also make use of the do while. Okay, we are going to do all these things as long as okay. We are going to do all these things. Then after we check to see if the person if what the person enters is zero. Okay, if he enters zero, then the person will stop. Okay, so now here instead of using the OP, okay, instead of using the OP for the instead of using the OP the for selecting the operation, instead of using the character, I want to change it to int because we are using numbers to control it. So it's going to give us problem. So instead of footer, I will say int. Okay. So I'll say int. So now if we accept the number, okay, I'm going to change this one. So I'll say case one. Okay, case one. We need to call this. Then case two. Case two, that's when we call the sub, okay? Because we have indicated from the beginning that that is what we are going to do. Case three, that's case three. Then case four, we call the division. Okay, case four is for division. Then case is five, we call the power function. Anyone else, it will break from the loop. Okay, anyone else will break from the loop. So here we say return zero. So while OP is not what zero, try to loop again. If it's not zero, whatever the person enters, if it's not zero, we will not what allow the person to what we will continue to be looping, okay, to be calling the functions again and again and again and again, okay. So here, if you like, we can just put this right. If you like, we can put this switch case in a function, the display function, then using the while loop, okay, using the while loop, then we can just be calling this. So I told you from the display, maybe display, okay. We can make a function for the display. So let's test this before we do the display one. So I will save it. If there is no error, we will see what is going to be. If there's error, we fix it. Okay, it's coming now. Yeah, it's telling me there's error here. Okay, and I didn't put this one here. Okay, that should be the case. I hope boys you can see that running again. If there is more error, okay, here the end line. I will put this. Let's check all before we just run it. Okay, continue save and run it. Okay, result is equal to this. Okay, here retain results. Okay, I'm coming on it. I want to check the English operator for support. Okay, my system is freezing. Let's take some time. So you realize that we are making the functions. We are calling the functions in the switch statement. And so anytime we have the anytime we call the function. Anytime we call the function. Anytime we select an option that matches the function will be called. So once you call it, then once you call that function, then that function will do the work for you. Okay. Okay, there is a C in Y. The result is equal to the result here, or did we declare the results? The result also, we have declared to be double. Yeah. Because you see out and this C X C in result is this return results. See the error will persist. Okay. Result is equal to result times this. Okay, can we localize this variable so that maybe we say int results? Okay, let me say int. Yes. Result is the error here. So it is. Okay. 1 minute. It's telling me the results, the operations. Let me also comment this and see. If there will not be error, then we will come back to that strictly. It's taking some time to do that. My system is freezing. Okay, now it has come. So let me choose maybe one. Let's see. Yeah, so now it is working. So you say enter the first number 5, 6. Okay, see that it keeps on repeating. Keeps on repeating. It gives you the answer. Okay, now it doesn't retain the answer for you, so we have to display the answer. Okay, we have to display the answer. So here, there should be a way of displaying the answer, or we can just do it directly from the. Okay, yeah. Instead of returning the results, okay, we can just say equal, or maybe when we call it here, we should in the switch case we have to also um, output. Okay, we have to see. Let me see out one of them. Is see out. See out. See out. Your results. Your result is okay. Your answer. Let's see your answer. Then you can say okay. Add. Okay. Add it. Let's see if it doesn't give us error. Then we will just call it there directly. That's the number one. So if I choose one, okay, trust me, enter first number, second number. Okay, okay. Oh, I'm not breaking the. So here, call this the break this. Okay. So let's go to the function. Instead of returning the values, we just echo. Okay, or just output the value. So I'll copy this what I wrote here and put it in. See how to answer is. Go to the first function. Okay, so here the job is this. So this I want to say okay. Then we have to change all of this to void because they only do an output some values. Here your answer is the result there. Right? Answer is the result. So here I should make this void because it's not returning a value. I'll go here also make it void. Say void. Right. So let me run it again and see. So we are testing for the first one. So if I enter one, it tells me enter the first number 56, enter the second number 34. Then it gives you the answer. The answer is given. Then it runs again. Okay, now it's working. That will be the best way. So we will change all of them to void instead of the value 10 times. Okay. So you see that the calculator is working now. When you finish, it gives you the option to do more and more. Okay. Boss, if you have any question, you can ask me now. If you have a question, you can ask me. Who has a question? Okay, Fadel. Fadel, you
Sir,
have
tell me again why we are using void
which one? The top one.
void add
Yeah,
void add.
yeah. We are using the void because the function we don't want the function to return a value. Okay, we just only want to echo the answer. That's the answer is given as above. If we want it to return a value, we have to store it there and output it. It will be some kind of repetition. So I just change it to the void. If I change one in the prototype, I have to change it in the definition also. Exactly. Okay, so if that's the case, then I will change all of them, then we will see. Let me change all of them and see how to do it. So this is the output. I will show you the output. This is what we got when we run it. See this one. This is the screen. So see the first one, the first instance was run. Then when it gave you the answer, it also repeated the same thing, asking you to make a selection. So when you make that selection, then it calls the appropriate function for you. So for instance, if I make a selection of one again, I want to make one because one, okay, let me make a two, two for division. Okay, so it gives me this second one. Look at this. If I make zero, okay, if I make zero, tells me this. It tells me that if I make zero, that's division, right? Division, divide. No, number two is not division. Number two is subtraction. Okay. Which one is division? Division is number. Okay. Sub, divide, subtract. Number division is number four. Let me choose number four. You see, if you try to enter zero, okay, if I enter zero as the second, tells me that okay, it will tell me that the zero is not what allowed. See, the division by zero is impossible. Okay, then it ends it and what? Call the function again. Is that clear? Mhm. So here, if you like, we can call the function again. That's what we call recursive function. So I want to reshare the code so that you can see what we are doing. So if I enter zero now, the program has terminated, then I can finish everything. So here, let's change all of them to void. Okay, void. So because we are not returning, maybe we can still maintain the double or something like that if whatever value that is computed in the function is going to uh, stored in somewhere. So we return it and make the function hold the value. Then that value will be transferred into a variable that we can use. Okay, we don't want to waste time on this. Okay, so I think this. So now here, if I'll go to the main functions and call them. So here, we call this. Paste them all instead of the return. I put this. See, yeah, here also I change the. So this one will be void instead of double. Okay. Then this one also I change it to void. Void is here. And I change this. This one also I change it. This instead of double it should be four. Okay. Any question from others? Any question? Now we have to look at, if you like, you can copy this. I will share the code for you. You can copy all this and put it in a display function so that you just call the function to do that thing for you. Okay, just call the function. Whenever this is done, then call the function then. Okay, this the in on the switch. We can do it in a, or maybe accept input. Can do accept the inputs. Or maybe the display function, what we'll do here is that then after this, we call this one and call the accept the inside the display so that whenever we accept the input, then we display it within the same display function. Okay. Now we have 2 minutes to end the class. Okay. So far we have finished all the things that we are supposed to do for this time. We have done this small project. Okay. The problem here where I made it comment is about this one. I will check. Okay. This one, the carat. The carat symbol is for power, and this one also is for modulus. Okay. So just leave this. You can check it online later. Okay. Any question? Voice? Any question? Do we have a question?
How are you, Chris? I'm good.
Okay. If we don't have a question, inshallah, we have come to the end of this time. Next week, if there is a class, I'll tell you so that maybe we can discuss one or two things. If you have any question, okay, you can post it on Edmodo. I'll come there and answer you. Okay, and keep on reading. Inshallah. We will see what to do from next week.
خلاص.
What?
ها؟
Okay. Wait, boys, let's take attendance. Let's take attendance now. Okay. Hello, boys.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, Kazi, show your real face now. Let's take attendance.
Sir, he have a crush on Billie Eilish, sir.
What?
He have a crush on Billie Eilish.
Bring your real face because I want to know the boys who are attending the class, and I'll give them the mic. Show your faces quickly. Quickly. Quickly now.
خلاص زين.
Quickly. Don't waste time. Ibrahim. Kazi.
Yeah.
Kassab.
Yes.
What you want, sir?
Sir.
I want to take attendance. I want to take attendance for the class.
Okay, take attendance, sir.
Ibrahim, where is your pick? Ibrahim is sleeping or what? Zakaria.
No.
Kazi. Zakaria.
Yes, sir.
Zakaria.
Yes. I'm here.
Okay. Show your faces. We want to change. Where are you?
My camera is not working.
Kassab, where are you?
I'm in my room.
You're in your room.
Yeah, I'm chilling in my room.
Okay, let's see your show video. I want to see you. Hamza. I want Ibrahim.
Yes,
Ibrahim,
yes.
show video.
Sleepy bastard.
What?
انتوا قصاب sir.
Kazi.
I want to sleep.
You
Because
want to
you
do
and
what?
Bill Eilish, you know this idiot.
You want to sleep?
Yeah.
Why do you want to sleep?
Sir, I'm tired, man.
What?
I'm tired.
Sleeping, tired of sleeping, and you are tired again. Sleeping also, you are
I'm not
tired.
tired of sleeping, sir.
Hamza,
Yeah.
Zakaria, Ibrahim, Kazi. We are taking the. I want to see the boys so that I will just know what to do with the.
Oh, you want to stop him the camera? Okay.
يا
Quickly,
حمار.
quickly.
استغفر الله.
Where is he?
اللهم اني صايم بس.
Ibrahim, you are what?
He's صايم, sir. Fasting.
صايم الحمد لله.
Kazi,
I
please
want to
remove
see-
Billie Eilish.
I want to see
زكريا على
you.
الأقل ورينا وشك.
Where are you?
Kazi, show us your beautiful face.
Kazi is what is this? Zakaria,
Sir, he's ugly. That's all.
he's angry.
Ugly.
إبراهيم عجبتني قصتك.
صح؟
Hey, كويسة.
نعيمة نعيمة.
MashaAllah. What?
أنا لازم
You
أقص
went
شعري.
for Umrah or what?
Yes.
Sir, how he
لازم
can go
تحمل.
for Umrah, sir?
I know him. He's
Umrah.
Mutawa. He can go to Umrah at any time.
Sir, he can't.
Shut the heck up. Shut the heck up. I'm 16
Ibrahim is the
years old
Mutawa of
now,
all
okay?
other class. He is the Mutawa.
Yes.
You shut
yes.
the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
No,
Kazi, are you
stop
fucking or
using
no?
that words. Hey,
Sir, he's cursing,
Kazi.
sir.
where
Minus
is
one, sir.
Zakaria?
Sleeping,
He's
sir.
in hell.
He's in hell?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Astaghfirullah. Where are you? Zakaria. Where is Zakaria?
What that?
أحمد قال بس تخلص قرايته
كويس.
Where is?
الجوال طلع معه.
What is this? This. You don't
What?
have.
What?
فاضل اللي عملت سلو موشن اللي ايه عطل بسلو موشن.
ما ادري.
Allah,
زكريا ايش وضعك؟
you are bringing. What is this? Where is Kazi?
Kazi
Zakaria,
sir fall in love with a singer sir.
He is not
he-
serious. Always thinking about this. This. Kazab, you have
Romance.
to talk to your friend, eh?
He likes intercourse, sir.
He like what?
Intercourse.
Astaghfirullah.
الأم الفيك.
Believing boys, you have to change. Okay? Okay. Inshallah.
Never.
Great first now, sir. مثل
What?
See, half of me is the sky.
Half of you in what?
Is the sky with
You are putting
thunder.
the filter there, right?
Yeah.
Why are you putting that?
كأنه خانقنا ايش فيك؟
Okay. Hey, what is
أهل
this?
صعبين.
Zakaria.
أهل صعبين.
Black screen? Okay. Inshallah. Do you have more questions? The book, the book Kasam, Modo, please try to download. Start reading from the beginning, okay? Try.
Sir, I'm lazy even to open it more, sir.
So next time, inshallah, we are going to do a lot. We are going to
بالله
share
زكريا
what
ايش
we have learned. We will do bigger projects, maybe games, banking applications. Inshallah, we will do that.
Zakaria.
Brian,
Yes, sir.
talk to your. You have to talk to your
خلاص
boy.
يا قرب.
Zakaria, your boy is now supposed to be Mutawa. Look at Saleh Mohammed.
Sir, he's
I
sucking the
talked to him.
camera,
I
sir.
talked to him.
Okay. See you. Assalamu alaikum.
وعليكم
عليكم
السلام.
السلام.